Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to attach a certificate to a bound transaction. A certificate can be attached during the agree to bind step of your reinsurance negotiation, but of course a certificate might not always be available at that point, so many times it will have to be attached shortly after the transaction has been bound in eReinsure. Any bound deals that do not have certificates attached will be displayed in the quote section at the bottom of your home page. So go ahead and click on the named insured for which you want to attach a certificate. In this case, I'm going to click on R&R Industries, and that will take me to the summary of agreement. Now at the top of the page there is a certificates section asking for a certificate number. Enter the cert number in that field. By default, a checkbox is marked indicating that you want to notify the cedent when the cert has been attached, but it can be unchecked if desired for whatever reason. You can then attach the cert itself by browsing to the file directory or dragging and dropping the file from its location. Once that is done, go ahead and click Save to Filing Cabinet with Certificate. You will then be returned to the home page with a note that your cert has been attached and the bound transaction is now moved off your home page into the filing cabinet, where you can access it at any time. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to eReinsure customer support and we will be happy to help. Thank you.